Hello, my good friends, and welcome to another improvised version of the Communication Couch. It should already be the first week of the new year of 2021 in your reality. Well, that sounds like one of us is delusional, but what I'm trying to say is that I actually make these videos 2 weeks in advance. So over here in my reality, today is the 16th of December, so it hasn't even been Christmas yet, let alone the New Year's. So in a way, I am sending you this message from the past into the future. So, by the way, Happy New Year. But the reason this is again an improvised episode of the show is because I'm having a little bit of a burnout. At least I feel like I'm at the beginning of what might be a burnout. So I'm trying to take it easy and doing it with a green screen and all the little things that pop up and move all over the place. It's very painstaking. It takes a lot of time and effort. So I hope we can still be friends even without the green screen. But I have an idea. Wait a little bit. I have these sheets. They're like whiteboard sheets. So, okay, well, this doesn't look that nice. Maybe a little bit, okay. You want to keep this as decoration, or should I just move it out of the way? Let's keep it like that. Well, we have this. It's a little whiteboard. So, usually if I would mention burnout, then I would put some funny GIF on it. Well, in this case, I'll just. So, here's a little old school Giphy for you. Well, the reason I'm having it is because which is kind of typical for me. I took on a lot of things at the same time because I'm making these 2 videos every week. I do make them in advance, which was supposed to relieve my stress a little bit, but now I still put the deadline for myself that by the end of the week I have to make both of them. Yeah, the stress is still there. And then at the same time, I try to do these shorts now. Maybe you've seen on the channel, there's short 1-minute videos which are vertical. So I'm trying to do these like at least five days a week. And at the same time, I'm doing a new video course on body language. Then I started feeling a little bit overwhelmed. I'm spending so much time here in the office and it's pretty bland, so I wanted to decorate a little bit. I ordered a Terminator poster, which was supposed to be like super big and inspiring, motivating, and I would put it right next to my desk. But it turned out that I misunderstood the dimensions. Well, actually, I didn't read them at all, and what I ended up receiving is this. I guess this is a little contrary to the general mood of the New Year's. New year, new me. This year is gonna be our year. Although that's what we also said for 2020. But, like they say, there's never a bad time to have a burnout. Is that what they say? I think they might be saying that. I hope you've been well. I hope you had a good New Year's celebration party-ish. I hope the future is bright at where you are in your reality. I hope that there hasn't been any nuclear wars in the meantime and that 2021 is a... Well, of course, the memory on the camera was full, so it stopped recording, which doesn't surprise me at all. But actually, that was pretty much everything I had to say. I doubted that you are even still listening or watching to this point. And take care, stay safe, whatever people are saying these days, and bye.